Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2018 Chrysler 300 Limited. This is something we got in our pre-owned inventory, and I'm like, you know what, I'll go ahead and I'll check it out. Good amount of back seat room. Really nice brown leather interior in this one. It's like a baseball glove. It's really nice. Bright white clear coat is the exterior color, and it looks phenomenal. You can see on the wheel you have this nice wood grain trim up top and throughout the dash. All of this here is all extremely soft touch. Definitely sets this apart from other FCA products. Pretty cool. You have your rotary dial shifter, your basic Uconnect system. I'm an idiot. Oh, this is the joy of doing a one take. Let's bring that up. Grab you. And not push buttons without knowing what they do. Why don't we do that from now on, huh? That's a great idea. Why don't you say don't, and the door shuts. Stay. All right. Oh man, today's just going great if you can't tell. All right. Chrysler 300 is powered by a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6. Tons of power from this V6, and it makes an awesome sound too. Nice analog clock. It just has a really nice feel in here. Everything's just really high quality. Visibility's phenomenal. For those who don't know, the Chrysler 300 is based on the same platform as the Dodge Charger. It's the more luxury-focused variant. Wow. Does have a low mode for the transmission. Kind of keeps the revs nice and high, and also whenever it can to engine brake, it downshifts. Pretty ingenious idea and nice for, you know, going down a mountain or even using it as a sport mode. just because it keeps the car right in its power band. Such a good sound. It's so funny. You open the door for a minute and you get all these freaking black flies everywhere. That bug is going to be the death of me. Really? Now it's going to be in front of the camera? Alright, I'm just going to move on, or at least try to. Visibility, awesome. Really, really nice. These seats, really comfortable. I could definitely do long hauls in them. Leather has a good amount of give to it. Really, really nice. Brake pedal feel, steering feel. I'll expand more on that on the back road. Just as a spoiler alert, really good. Brake pedal has a good amount of feel. Throttle is not too touchy whatsoever. Wow. Steering feel is phenomenal on these back roads. Put it into low as kind of a sport mode. Brakes have a ton of bite to them. And the all-wheel drive just claws it out of corners. Here is our suspension test. Wow. Nice and cushiony, but not overly so where it sacrifices driving feel and quality. Wow. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.